Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and I wanted to show you what's up with the urban empire. As you can see, we've got the door to the future on the house. What we got here is we're all dried in now. We've got the house wrapped and it is ready to go for stucco. I've shown you previously that the windows are in and we do have roof on, but it is not complete. I can show you that later. But I want to take you guys on inside and see what's been done inside. All right, inside the urban empire. So what's been happening, Urban? Well, electrical, lots of electrical. As you see, we got some can lights going in here in the hallways. Switches are prepped and ready to go throughout the house. You can see all the switches and outlets. Here is our framed off downstairs laundry room. Has now been completed in framing, and the downstairs old remodeled bathroom is pretty much ready to go. All framed off, window in. We've got the fans up there. We've got the lighting. And you can see what HVAC. That's right, the HVAC guys have been in too. So we have full ducting throughout the house. You can see most of the plumbing is ready to go. We're just waiting for fixtures and things to go in. Let's take you down the hallway. Here is one of the downstairs bedrooms. As you can see, all the electricals in there. Closets fully framed off now. And the old closet here is framed off as well. So we're now starting to progress into the old part of the house, which is great. I'll show you guys the electrical all being in there. Closets are finally framed off. Drywall is going to be coming here real soon. So the drywall has been delivered. Drywall will start next week, which is awesome. House will really look like it's getting finished once that begins. There you go. You can see some more of the HVAC ducting. You can see the mounts for the fixtures and the lighting in the living room. We've got the pan framed out for the shower here. And we've even got our piping with the valves and where the shower head will be coming out. So now let me take you upstairs, guys. As you can see, we've got some more HVAC framed off, covered. This will be a utility sink for the upstairs laundry room. There you go, some more HVAC, some more can lighting for you. Now we're coming into little baby Rose's room and into her bathroom. You see we have our tub, which is really exciting because that means you're getting closer and closer. Like I was telling you guys, you can see that there is some roofing put on, but this part here is just with the felt, so when the stucco goes on, it won't ruin the roofing, and all that will have to be replaced is a little tiny bit of the felt. More of the HVAC, and we have the furnace in. More HVAC lines here, plumbing lines. And how about that? How about a climatized walk-in closet? You can't get better than that, right? I told you guys this was an empire. And, you know, this emperor, this general of the Gnome army, he needs heated and cooled walk-in closet. That's right, guys. And we'll take a good look out here. The view from my window down to the garden. It's a little moist this morning, so we got some dew on the window, so you got to look through the screened part. But hey, that's okay. But look at, hey, look at that war room over there. All roofed off and ready to be stuccoed as well. We'll show that in another episode. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.